Plastic Surgeon is the UK professional in fine finishing. Restoring everything from scratched shower doors and chipped sinks to damaged stone and brick. Whatever the material, they can almost certainly provide a cost-effective repair. Plastic Surgeon's fast professional service is available from a nationwide network of fully employed, highly trained finishers. Plastic Surgeon has been called in by the Hallfriend Group, providers of luxury holiday homes, residential park homes and static caravans across the UK. Maintaining every property on the sites to their exacting standards is a must for Hallfriend Park management. And the sites close for 6 weeks at the beginning of each year for repair and maintenance. Static holiday home interiors and exteriors suffer a lot of damage throughout the season. But luckily, Plastic Surgeon can make high-quality repairs to virtually any material, including plastic and metal. Today, one of Plastic Surgeon's experienced finishers is at one of their caravan parks on the Llyn Peninsula to repair a dented exterior panel on one of the holiday homes and a damaged shower tray. After assessing the damage, the surface is thoroughly cleaned and prepared. The correct materials are selected from the finisher's extensive kit of specialist solvents, thinners, bonding agents and equipment. Finishers are fully trained to mix specialist materials such as two-part fillers and resins. The resin fillers are skillfully applied and when set, the resin is shaped to the right profile before application of a two-part coating with a spray gun. All finishers are trained in colour theory and mixing so that a perfect colour and pattern match can be achieved.
I use Plastic Surgeon because they have a very experienced team and they have saved us money by repairing panels on caravans. Because otherwise I would have waited 6 to 8 weeks from the manufacturer to send the panel. Their service engineer has been out and repaired the panel and has done a really good job. The repair has saved us money by the engineer coming out within 2 weeks of logging the job and the job's been done. I haven't had to wait the 6 to 8 weeks that I would normally have to wait from the manufacturer. I'm very happy with the repairs I've had done. The engineer was very friendly, very efficient and very professional. I would certainly recommend the services of Plastic Surgeon. As I say, they are very professional, very friendly and respectful of the owner's caravan.
Plastic Surgeon's finishing is sustainable and cost-effective, reducing landfill waste by repairing rather than replacing. Last year, they carried out 44,596 individual repairs, saving 1,750 tonnes from landfill. So if you would like to save time, save landfill and save money, call Plastic Surgeon, the UK's nationwide leading experts in fine finishing for over 20 years.